Some troubling news in the housing market as well this week. As the Fed debates another rate hike, homebuyers are now canceling deals at the highest rate since the start of the pandemic. NewsNation business contributor Lydia Moynihan is joining us now to break down why buyers are backing out. Clearly, interest rates are a huge issue, but existing home sales, they've canceled 15% of all homes that went under contract. That's crazy.
Yeah, and that is the highest rate since before the pandemic. Last year was about 11%. And I think this just underscores the fact that people are really nervous to be making a big purchase. They don't know if we're going to go into a recession. They're worried they could lose their jobs. There's just too many question marks to make this kind of a commitment. Consumer sentiment is at a decade low. People are paring back on little purchases. So how much more so are they going to pare back on big purchases? And you mentioned the fact that interest rates are also going up. Mortgages, we expect, are going to continue to skyrocket as the Fed raises interest rates. That's going to affect the economy as a whole.
And what could be driving the Fed's decision for another rate hike? Obviously, the goal is to assuage the inflation rising at the rate that it is. But I don't know if it's helped out any time in recent days, recent months.
Yeah, well, we're going to get more information tomorrow. We get the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, that's going to give us a good measure of how much inflation has or has not increased. Last month, it was that record high number, 8.6%. 8.6%, the most we'd seen in 40 years. And some people are saying we could actually see a higher number tomorrow, closer to 8.8%. So if that's the case, it could be a signal that the Fed needs to take an even more aggressive stance than they already have.
Which means another rate hike, for sure. Lydia Moynihan, thank you very much. Doesn't seem, it's like eating your vegetables.
Well, hey, listen, we just moved here. We were thinking about buying, and my friends talked me out of it. They were like, absolutely not. We're headed for a recession. Interest rates are going to go way up. Basically, they did the South Park meme, oh, you're going to have a bad time, dude.
You did a great impersonation there. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.